How to play Roblox without downloading it. So first, just open up your browser and go to this page called easyfun.gg. So this is basically a website that offers cloud gaming where you could play games without even downloading them. So you could play Genshin. So there's a ton of stuff you could play. But for Roblox, just simply go to the search bar right here on the top and type in Roblox. This will pop up. As you can see, I have Roblox right there. I could also play Bloxford only right here. So it popped up right here earlier. So I'm just going to search for Roblox again. As you can see, Bloxford is right there if you want to play it. So if you hover to this button right here, as you can see, it says 30-minute trial for none. If you have no account, you only have 30-minute trial. But if you log in and create an account, you will have 6 hours free per day. So let's try the trial first. As you can see right here, just click on that. Just wait for it to load. And as you can see, there are a ton of players currently using this website. It will leave a queue right here, which will say you're currently in the game connection queue 9. So you just simply need to wait for this to finish. But you could also sign up to speed up the process. But basically, after this, the Roblox will just start. Now you could basically play the game without downloading it.